How to reset Zion's bank password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also created your account on Zion's bank account and you suddenly forget your password, then here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just head over to your zionsbank.com website or mobile app and just choose any of your personal banking or business banking if you have one. And if you ever forget your password, it's the same method for both of your personal as well as business account. So you can just reset your password by simply clicking on this forget password button over here right at the upper side of sign in button over here. So simply click on the link, blue link that is password, forget password button, and you will be redirected to this page where you simply have to follow the on-screen instructions. So in order to find your password, they will first need to verify your identity. So just provide the username and email address or phone number registered that they have on their file. So once you enter all of the details, just click on submit button over here and you just have to follow the on-screen instructions and they will be providing a link to your or an OTP to your registered email address or phone number by simply sending an SMS, and you just have to provide your link or code there and simply create a new password from over there and successfully reset your password for your Zion's bank account online. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.